Hey, what's up, guys? If you're a man over 40 and you've noticed that your energy isn't what it used to be, your drive is lower, your sleep is off, or you just don't feel like yourself anymore, I need you to watch this video before you go to bed tonight because I'm going to show you one simple nightly habit, takes less than 10 minutes, that has been shown in studies to naturally support testosterone levels, improve sleep quality, and help you wake up feeling like you're 30 again. And no, it's not a pill, it's not an injection, it's something completely free that most men are doing completely wrong. Let me tell you about a guy named Mike, 44 years old, works a desk job, 2 kids. He came home every day exhausted, not from working hard, but from just existing. His doctor ran blood work, testosterone, low normal, not dangerously low, but enough that Mike felt it every single day. His doctor offered TRT, testosterone replacement therapy. Mike didn't want to go down that road yet, so he started researching, and he found something surprising. The biggest thing destroying men's testosterone over 40 isn't diet. It isn't even exercise. It's what's happening or not happening in the 90 minutes before they go to sleep. Here's what most men don't know. The majority of your daily testosterone, up to 70%, is produced while you sleep, specifically during deep sleep cycles, also called slow-wave sleep. But here's the problem. After 40, 2 things happen. Number 1, cortisol, your stress hormone, starts to spike more easily. And cortisol directly suppresses testosterone production. It's basically the opposite of testosterone. Number 2, your sleep architecture changes. You get less deep sleep, which means less testosterone production every single night. So what does the nightly habit do? It targets both of these problems. It lowers cortisol before bed, and it primes your body for deeper, longer sleep cycles. Studies from the Journal of the American Medical Association found that men who slept only 5 hours a night had testosterone levels equivalent to men 10 to 15 years older. 5 hours. Okay, so here is the exact nightly protocol. I'm going to break it into 3 parts. Part 1, the screen cutoff. At least 90 minutes before bed, you need to eliminate blue light exposure from screens. Blue light from your phone, TV, and laptop tells your brain it's still daytime. It suppresses melatonin. And low melatonin means disrupted sleep. Disrupted sleep means low testosterone. It's that simple chain. Replace the phone with a book, a walk, or a conversation with someone you love. Even 60 minutes of screen reduction has shown measurable melatonin improvement in research. Part 2, the cold to warm shower switch. Take a warm shower, not hot, about an hour before bed. Your core body temperature drops after a warm shower, and that drop is one of the strongest signals your brain uses to enter deep sleep. Deeper sleep, more testosterone. Period. Some guys combine this with a 30-second cold blast at the end. Cold exposure has been linked to both cortisol reduction and short-term testosterone increases in research from Finland and the Netherlands. Part 3, the magnesium and zinc window. This one is a game changer. Most American men are deficient in both magnesium and zinc, 2 minerals that are directly tied to testosterone production and deep sleep quality. Taking a magnesium glycinate supplement, 300 to 400 milligrams, and zinc, 25 to 30 milligrams, about 45 minutes before bed can make a significant difference. A study from the Journal of Exercise Physiology showed a 30% increase in free testosterone in men who supplemented with zinc and magnesium over 8 weeks. I'll leave a link to what I personally use in the description below. Now here are 3 bonus upgrades that make this protocol even more powerful. Bonus 1, room temperature. Keep your bedroom between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Studies consistently show this is the optimal sleep temperature for deep sleep. If you sleep hot, you're sleeping shallow. Bonus 2, stop eating 3 hours before bed. When your body is digesting a big meal, it's not doing hormonal repair work. Give your body the job of rebuilding, not digesting. Your last meal should be at least 3 hours before you lie down. Bonus 3, the 4-7-8 breath. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. Do this 4 times right before sleep. This breathing pattern activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and recover mode, and directly lowers cortisol. Free. Takes 90 seconds, works every time. So back to Mike. He followed this protocol for 8 weeks. No testosterone injections, no prescription, just these habits, consistently. His next blood panel showed his free testosterone had increased by 18%. His sleep tracker showed 40% more time in deep sleep. And more importantly, he felt it. His wife felt it. His kids got their dad back. Now, I'm not saying this replaces medical care. If your levels are clinically low, talk to your doctor. This isn't a substitute for that conversation. But if you're in that gray zone, where you feel off but your doctor says you're fine, these habits could genuinely change your life. Here's your action plan starting tonight. Put your phone down 90 minutes before bed. Take a warm shower. Take your magnesium and zinc. Keep the room cool. Breathe, sleep. Do that for 30 days and come back to this video and tell me what changed. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It seriously helps this channel reach other men over 40 who need this information. Subscribe if you want more practical, science-backed content about men's health after 40. And check the description for the magnesium and zinc supplement I personally use. It's the most affordable option I've found that actually works. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself.